to continue to decompose within our teen numbers, and we're going to focus on 14, 15, and 16. I should say the focus is 14 and 15, but we're going to see some problems with 16, but we'll save the 16 for next quarter. So let's get started.
There are 16 students in Jada's class. She has represented each student with a counter. How can Jada plan where each student will sit on the bus for their next field trip? She can use a double 10 frame to show how the students will fit in the buses.
All right, let's try it. So we all have double 10 frames now at home. We sent them home on Monday, so let's do it. It says drag the counters into the 10 frames. Start by filling the bus with with red counters. So we'll start with the red ones. I know it's a 10 frame. It has 10 windows. I'm going to fill it up, so that'll be 10 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now I need to fill the rest of my yellow counters into the next bus. So I filled this one, there's 10, it's a 10 frame, it's full, I know there's 10. And in the story problem, it said there were 16 students, so we need to make sure that there are 6 yellow dots here to represent 6 students going on the field trip. So I put them all in here. We've got a group of 10 and a group of 6.
Jada uses a double 10 frame to arrange the counters and fill one bus before the other. How many students are on the first bus?
So we said there are 10 students on the first bus because it's a 10 frame and it's full, so there are 10 students on the first bus.
There are 10 students on the first bus. How many students are on the second bus? There are 6 students on the second bus. How many empty seats are on the second bus?
How many empty seats are there? So those are the windows in our 10 frame that are not occupied by a dot. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there would be 4 more spaces left on that bus.
There are 4 empty seats. How is this drawing like the bus picture? The drawing shows 10 in the top 10 frame and 6 in the bottom 10 frame. How can 16 be written in 2 parts?
Since we're decomposing this week, and decompose means break apart, we're beginning our equation with the total amount of counters we have. So we had a total of 16. We're going to break it apart into the 2 groups. The first group is the red group. How many are in the red group? 10. I know it's 10 because it has the number 10 here and the 10 frame is full. That would be 10. Then the yellow part for the second group comes from down here. It tells me that this group has a group of 6, and I know if I count these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that I will see that there are 6 yellow, and the number 6 will be the second part of the equation.
16 can be written as 10 ones and 6 ones.
Now you know how to find parts of 16.
All right, so now we will get over to our lesson.